Hello there, welcome back, family. XMS Angelito. Today is Monday. How was your weekend, guys? Happy Mother's Day or happy late Mother's Day. Got a couple orders here, and yeah, so we had a great time. We went to church yesterday and we celebrated Mother's Day, and but I want to start this video with one order. You guys remember this? If you watched the video, I believe it was last week. Remember I brought this one out and I said it was, I think I sold it for $10, and I say sometimes you lose, sometimes come out even. I said this one probably I lost a little bit of money, or maybe I came even. So it turns out that we sent this item and I sent the wrong item. How about that? So it should have been a smaller one, should have been this one, but I sent this one. So not only that, now I sent the wrong item, and this is how they shipped it back. It's broken, it's damaged, so yeah, not everything is a win-win on the reselling business. So well, I mean, look at it this way, I'm sure my kid's gonna be happy because he's gonna get a free toy. So yeah, this is most likely gonna stay with my kid. And I did offer the customer, I told them I'll say, hey, I'll send you the right one, and I'm gonna refund you the money except for the shipping. Just shipping, just pay for the shipping. Not the one I was gonna send, the second one, I was gonna pay for that one, but the shipping that he originally paid for this one, I said, just keep the item, I'll send you the right one, and I'm gonna pay for the one I'm gonna send you. But customer said no, too late. I already sent the other one back. So yeah, so we got this one in the mail. It is what it is, So I gave them. Remember, I don't do free shipping, but I went ahead and refund the entire amount. So he decided to just that he didn't want anything. So let's have a couple of orders here. We got some zero grand Colhan, and this brand used to sell really good. It's for good money, but now it's not that great anymore. This one's, I believe they only, I don't have my laptop here, I'll get in a little bit and I'm gonna get some more orders ready, but I wanted to start with this one's, and yeah, this one's, I believe they only paid $40 plus shipping, and it's going to, this one is going to Florida. This is going to Tina, and they pay for the padded, it fits on a padded envelope, so not too bad. It should be fine, they won't get damaged or anything. So yeah, this is going to Tina. Thank you, Tina, wherever you are. And hopefully one day we'll be like, yeah, this is a follower for one of our followers. Yeah, so this is going all the way to Florida. Got a little basket here now, so I don't make a mess in the room. We got another one here. This is a Diamond Supply Company. It's a sweater. We're almost summertime, but hey, people still buy sweaters. I always leave my items. I know sometimes people remove them, and I just leave them. I lower the price. I think they paid $25 for this one plus shipping. Same thing. They put it for padded. It fits on a padded just fine. And this is going to Connie. Connie and it's just across the street. You know, I could probably walk over there. This one's going to California, just about 4 or 5 hours maybe. But yeah, this is going to Connie, and I believe she paid. Hold on, let me check the price. I don't want to be throwing lights to you guys here. Let's see. Let's see how much they pay. They pay for the padded. So, oh wow, they actually paid $35. I thought it was $25. Okay, they paid $35 for this one. Yeah, I don't have my laptop here with me. Have you guys? Did you guys notice something? Did you notice something, guys? I got a mic. Let me know how it sounds. If this is better. I kind of went on the cheapy side for the mic. But and I did a couple of tests. It sounds okay, but I think we're gonna have to upgrade because I didn't really like the sound. And you guys deserve the best. You guys deserve better. Like I said, just have a little patience, guys. Have patience. We're like at 320 some subscribers, and for a couple of days I didn't get any subscribers at all. You know, and then I went to the analytics, and it says that 99% that watch the videos are not subscribed. So if you're watching this video, please help me out. Hit the like button, subscribe, and we're gonna be posting more videos. And another thing, on the orders, the eBay orders or what's sold, I think I'm gonna be going back and forth. I'm gonna be doing it bilingual. This is probably the last one I'll do like just English, but I will be mixing it. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna get the other orders ready. I'm gonna print out the labels, have everything ready, and we'll come back in a little bit. And yes, let me know if this sounds better with the mic or without the mic. We'll be back.